welcome back to Man Rising Sun. Here's another request that I cannot refuse. It's not an 80s music, it's a YouTube trending music. Alright? This song got famous because Elias keep on do cover of the song. So it's not original of Elias, it's original by Utab in the Love. If you read it reversed, it's Batu Balani, alright? This is a song called Tatay. Here we go. If you know the words, we're just having fun here. Alright. Proud Filipino. Happy living in the Philippines. Alright, no matter what. Ha ha ha. Yeah, the son looking for his father left them. Alright. This is a story all about this song. Let's do this. Come on. Tay, 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 uli naming nanay. Kaming duhara diri sa balay, walay makaalalay. Tay, 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 uli naming nanay. Kaming duhara diri sa balay, walay makalalay. Nataw sa kalibutan nga inahanra ang nag-atiman. Gatulo ang luha, kasakit ra ang sulod sa hunahuna. Kaswit sa sinugdanan, ugming abot nga nabungahan. Unsa man gyud ang hinungdan nganong imuming gibiyaan. Tay, 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 uli naming nanay. Kaming duhara diri sa balay, walay makaalalay. Tay, 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 uli naming nanay. Kamirang duha diri sa balay, walay makaalalay. Intaw na kong nanay, buntag hapon siyang namunglay. Makakaon lang may ginagmay, dako na niya ng kalipay. Ang paghigugma sa amahan, ang wala nako nabatian. Makasuya gyud ang uban kay kumplito man sila tanan. Tay, 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 uliya naming nanay. Kaming duhara diri sa balay, walay makaalalay. Tay, 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 huliya naming nanay. Kaming duhara diri sa balay, walay makaalalay. Alright, you can feel the pain, alright? So, see you around, guys.